really hanging out on the mulberry tree. Well, good morning, good people. Hi, it's Jason with Green Country Agroforestry here. I'm out gnoming about on Earth Day, and I wanted to show you something really special. Come on. I'm up here in this redbud tree, and as you can tell, all the pretty little flowers that were on this tree just a couple of days ago, let me show you a picture. Well, they're all gone now, and they've been replaced by these little seed pods. And at this point, they're still fairly tender. Now, I had a taste of one of these yesterday, and they're a little bit too bitter at this point to be eating out of hand. You really want to get them while they still have a little bit of that flour still attached to them so they'll be sweet. But you can still saute these in butter or olive oil, sprinkle on a little bit of garlic, salt, that sort of thing, and they'll be good that way. But since the flowers are all gone, where have the bees gone? So here we have our redbud trees, which are growing out. These will be available for sale, of course, come fall. But over here behind those, if you look over here in this other tub, what do we have going on here? Well, yes, we do have a mulberry tree and some hazelnut, but this is a black locust tree. And these will be available for sale whenever they become dormant in the fall as well. Now up here, right up here, is a fully grown black locust tree, and the sun hasn't hit it yet, so it's not just blinding you, but you can see the white flowers right there, all the way up in the tree. There's another one right over there, full of those white flowers. That's where the bees are now. They're not in the redbuds anymore. They're up there in the locust trees. And so you might not like the thorns, but you'll certainly like feeding your bees. Ooh. So there you go, an excellent case for having multiple different species for your pollinators. We've got something in the redbud for the early season pollinators, and then later on, from now on until about mid-June, the locust trees are going to take over, and those will be feeding our bees. So make sure you have plenty of trees, make sure you've got flowers for your pollinators in all seasons. That's all I've got for you today, good people. Happy Earth Day. If you found this video informative or entertaining, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Till then, get out there. Get growing.